I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and that Deen Buddy is installed. This matters because settings names differ. Once done, grant notifications to Deen Buddy so it can surface content. Now go directly to Settings, find Lock Screen and Security or Lock Screen depending on your phone, and be ready to add widgets or app shortcuts. You're setting the stage so the lock screen can host Deen Buddy. Move deliberately and keep the device unlocked while you change these options. You now add Deen Buddy to the lock screen by selecting Lock Screen widgets or shortcuts in that menu. Different phones call it different things. Next, pick Deen Buddy from the list and accept overlay or display permissions when prompted so the app can appear there. Then adjust its position and preview how it looks. Make sure to enable persistent notifications if the app requires them to stay visible. Doing these steps ensures the widget remains accessible without unlocking the phone. Finish by locking your device and waking the screen to verify Deen Buddy appears as expected. Test any buttons or refresh behavior. If the widget is hidden or unstable, make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the app and that background access is allowed, because aggressive power settings often stop lock screen widgets. If problems persist, revoke and regrant the display/notification permissions or reinstall Deen Buddy. This resets app hooks. Finally, keep your phone updated so system quirks don't break the lock screen integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.